At Camplight we fix and restore tents that have been discarded at festivals. That's why our slogan is clearing up events by hiring out tents. Our tent mechanics have become pros at fixing common tent problems quickly and easily in the field. Oh no, my tent pole is broken! What can I do? Other than using mountains of gaffer tape, it's best to replace the pole itself. You may well have a spare tent pole with your tent. If not, someone else in the campsite may have one for you. Once you have a replacement pole, you have to make sure it's the same length and the same thickness as the one you want to replace. To make sure it's the same thickness, you could do it by eye, by checking the poles fit together, or we use a vernier caliper. Make sure the replacement pole is long enough, and if you're happy, make a mark where you're going to cut. Cut carefully, making sure you don't breathe in the dust, and that there are no splinters remaining at the end. If you haven't done this before, we suggest wearing gloves. Now, isolate the broken section by pulling apart and adding a clip. Take another clip, pull the elastic out, being careful of glass fibre splinters along the broken edge. Before you apply the second clip, make sure you have the right tension each side of the clips and enough elastic to stretch across the replacement pole section. If you haven't got clips, you could always improvise by tying in a tent peg, inserting a skewer, or by simply getting a friend to hold the elastic for you. Now, give yourself a bit of elastic to tie a knot. Take the scissors and make a cut at the metal end of the pole. Discard the old pole. Take a thin piece of wire and hook it onto a long piece of elastic, ready to thread through the new pole starting at the non-metal end. Pull the elastic out of the metal end. Now take a clip off the other end of the pole and re-clip it to the top of the pole. You're now ready to make your knot. We suggest a self-tightening granny knot or reef knot, and make sure that you pull it hard this way and pull it hard that way. Once the knot is tight, clip off those loose ends and slot the pole together. Hey, thank you tent mechanic. You have now fixed your tent pole. You're ready to go and enjoy the festival! Well, we hope this helped. If not, just come and stay with us in a tent we prepared earlier, because we do festival tents for festival people.